So this is a tutorial using all Creme of Nature's products to achieve a perm rod set. So first, after co-washing my hair with the cleansing co-wash, I'm applying the leave-in hair milk. You then want to comb your hair with a wide tooth comb to evenly distribute the leave-in, as well as get rid of any tangles. In this tutorial, I'm using the gray, white, and coral perm rods. I'm applying a little bit of the foam and mousse and then beginning to roll my hair onto the perm rod. So you want to just wrap the end on the roller and then begin using the roller to spiral the hair onto the roller. So you'll get that nice spiral curl once you take them out. Here I've completed rolling my hair. I used the 3 different types of sizes just to get that variation of curl in my hair, concentrating the larger rollers on top and then moving down to the smaller rollers. So now for the sides and back, since I'm wanting to define my taper cut, I'm just going to apply a little mousse, comb it through, and then I'm just going to finger coil. So once that's complete, now all you need to do is dry. You can do this overnight or like I did, sit underneath the dryer for about an hour. So for takedown, I use argan oil. I'm lubricating my fingers with it and then just going to take down the rollers, not just pulling them out, but going against the way that I rolled it up so that I still keep that curl intact. Next, you want to separate the curls. I do this just by separating them with my fingers and then twirling them around my fingers like I'm doing a finger coil. It's very important to do this while you have argan oil on your fingertips so that you don't have frizz and you can keep your curls. Once I finish with the top, I just want to go through the sides and back and kind of just separate them and fill it out a little more. And then just go through with a pick just to kind of pick it out and add a little volume to it. And the last step is just to use a little bit of the Creme of Nature edge control. I'm just going to apply a little to my edges just to smooth them out and finish up the look. And here's the final look. Thanks for watching.